In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send welcome email Aweber. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Aweber account and you are looking at the main dashboard. The welcome email you are sending will be created as a regular email message first, and then you will schedule it from your drafts. This keeps everything organized and gives you a chance to review your content before it goes out. Start by going to the Messages section. From there, select Drafts. Drafts are where Aweber stores emails that you are still working on, or emails that you have saved but not sent yet. This is important because you will create the welcome email, save it, and then schedule it from this same area. Next, click Create a Message. When the options appear, choose Drag and Drop Email Builder. This builder is the easiest way to create a clean welcome message because you can add and arrange content visually without needing any code. Once the editor opens, write your welcome email. Include the key information you want new subscribers to see right away, such as a short greeting, what they can expect from your emails, and any helpful links or next steps you normally provide. As you write, keep the message clear and friendly, and make sure it matches the tone of your brand. When you are finished writing, click Save and Exit. After you click it, wait a second for the page to load completely. Your email should now appear in your drafts list. Now find your new draft and click Schedule next to it. This opens the scheduling screen where you decide when the welcome message will send. Click the schedule date and choose the date and time you want this welcome email to go out. Take a moment to double-check the timing so it aligns with your plan, especially if you are sending it around a specific event or promotion. Next, confirm the list under the section that asks who should receive this welcome message. This is a critical checkpoint. You want to make sure you are sending to the correct audience and not the wrong list. Finally, click Send Message Now to confirm and send based on the settings you selected. That covers everything you need to know.